Hi, this is Annoo and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me again today. I missed you guys. So today we are together for another of Daniela blanket update. We haven't had one in the whole winter, so we're going to call it the Winter Daniela update. And if you're not familiar with the Daniela blanket, it is a community project that we are doing all together. You guys are sending me your grannies from all over the world. I assemble them together and we create a huge blanket. Sorry, the light is a little different. The sun went down. Now the blanket is going to be put on the walls of the Therapy by Art and Craft in Daniela's Den. Daniela's Den is a place that is being opened in Israel, in Jerusalem, in memory of my niece Daniela. It is going to actually be covering all the four walls from top to bottom. And yes, and you all participated in it. Thank you so much. I will try to have your name on a plate, on a plaque that will be in the wall right there. I will be invited for the opening ceremony. The official opening ceremony will happen in the spring. It is actually being opened very soon, but the official opening is going to happen in the spring. I will go there. I will take you with me. I will vlog for you. And thank you so much again for making this community project happen. I could not have done it, of course, without you. I am so appreciative. You have no idea. What is Daniela's Den, by the way? Daniela's Den is a place that will be kind of a safe house for kids that are suffering from mental health disorders. May it be anorexia, bulimia, may it be bipolar disease or borderline personality disorder, from age I think 12 to 18. And this is for kids that are not well enough to participate fully in society, but not sick enough to be in the hospital. So that in between place, usually kids are in limbo. It's one or the other. So Daniela's Den is a place where at the beginning 10 kids I think will be accepted. Of course, we are planning to grow, but that is for the beginning. It's a place that they will be able to come during the day and have a kennel with therapy with dogs, or it has a horseback riding stable, so there will be therapy by horseback riding. And then of course there will be a staff, very well trained staff, doctors, psychiatrists, etc. And then therapy with arts and craft, as well as many other things. So yes, thank you so much for participating. Once we are done with all the ceremony, the blanket will be on the wall. We will continue with our grannies. It will still be called Daniela blanket, and we will decide together what the Daniela blanket part 2 will go to. May it be a homeless shelter, and then we can make many smaller blanket, or will it be again a decoration for another facility? Let's decide that together, okay? In the meantime, still send me your grannies. So here is actually all the information about the grannies with the size, and that's really what matters, is the size, the color, the texture, the stitch you choose to create. That's your choice. I just need to assemble them together, and if they're all different sizes, then it's very tricky. So here is the info about where to send them, etc. Keep them coming, and let's continue to make this community project something that makes a difference in the world. Okay? But the blanket will go on, so keep on sending me your grannies. In the meantime, I have the winter badge here. I'm going to show it to you right now, and I am as usually going to open in front of you. This time I'm going to open 3 packages, so 3 of you are going to be winning today an Annoo Crochet sweatshirt and an Annoo Crochet mug to thank you for participating. Thank you so much. I do not know what I did with my glasses. I'm gonna try to read it like that. So the first winner is Jessica Pittington from the USA, from Virginia. Thank you so much, Jessica. Let's open what you sent me. This is so cute, Jessica. And what is in here? Beautiful drawing. It says happy holidays. What a beautiful drawing. You are very gifted, Jessica. I'm gonna take a picture of the drawing and show it to everybody. Jessica, is that supposed to be me? Like when I was little? Good. Wow, it's adorable. Thank you so much. You here? Oh, I have a letter. I love letters from you guys. You are touching my heart so deeply. Thank you so much. I love your letter. Those are adorable. What are you talking about? This is so cute. Look how gorgeous. I love the cheerful color. And then the other one has oh, Daniela. It says Daniela. It says Daniela on it. Oh my God, Jessica, thank you so much. And thank you for participating. And your present is on your way. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And that is the number one. And number two is Angelique Rivera. And she is in Iowa. She's in Iowa. Thank you so much, Angelique. Angelique, it's a very, very nice name. Are you French or is it Spanish? Or let me know. So of course, Angelique, you are the second winner. Let's see what you sent me. Wow, how many did you send me, Angelique? They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. I love the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you so much, Angelique, for participating, and I will assemble them in my blanket ASAP. And for our third winner, it's from the United Kingdom, Stephanie Erskine. I'm sorry, I'm butchering your name, but thank you so much for sending me your grannies all the way from England. What did you send me? What is this? Oh my God. Fruit and nut Cadbury. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. You don't know how much I love this actually. We cannot find it here. It's very English and I love it. I used to love it when I used to live in Belgium. Thank you so much, but you didn't have to. Why? What did I do to deserve this? I know what I'm gonna have with my coffee this afternoon. Oh, I love the tissue paper that you put on. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, you guys are so adorable. Look at the paw print. No, but seriously, you don't understand. This actually is the logo that is supposed to be on Daniela's den. Did you know that? That is freakish. This is the cutest thing ever. It's perfect. Thank you so much. And then you sent 3 more that are just so perfect. Thank you so much. So of course I'm going to send as soon as possible your giveaways. By the way, for all the people that have won giveaways in the month of December, I had the December giveaways, be a little patient. Your packages are arriving. It takes some time, so I didn't send them FedEx because it's too expensive. And I had a lot of giveaways this December, so I have to stay, you know, I have to be a little bit conservative. But it's by the post office. I called a few of your packages are stuck in custom. One is in Spain, one is in Chicago, and another one is somewhere else, but it is coming to you, I promise. Okay, so be a little patient with me. All right, so we are done. The rest of you, thank you so much. Of course, keep your granny coming, and then the next update I will continue to open your packages, and some of you will be winning my little giveaways, and all of you will be put together in the blanket. All right, so let me grab the blanket, my crochet hook, and then I'm going to assemble and we're going to chit chat. And if you're not interested in the chit chat, I will see you next time for a tutorial this time. Okay. All right, so here is my blanket. Well, it's part of the blanket really, right here. Can you see it? Because the big part is on the side and is ready to be put on Daniela's den wall. And this one is already the second part of the blanket, and we are going together to find a cause for this blanket. I'm going to put this one first. So adorable. So how have you been? What is going on in your life, in your part of the hood? How's your winter going? My winter is going really okay. Super cold today. I don't know by you, but here it was. So we went to Vermont for the weekend. We had a ton of snow, about 18 inches of snow, and a snowstorm, and -1 Fahrenheit. Do you know? And that's without the wind chill. With the wind chill, we had, I think, minus 18. So it was -1 Fahrenheit. The feel was for minus 18 with the wind chilled. That is the winter in New England. How is the winter at your place? And is it winter at your place, or do you live in Australia and then it's the summer? It's really weird to imagine people that live in the summer while we live in the winter, isn't it? Anyway, so that's one thing. Now this Saturday I am going to Florida for a few days, running away from the cold a little to get a little vitamin D. We need it. And then after that it's February vacation, and then we're going to Turks and Caicos and Florida again. So trying to escape the brutal winter here a little bit. And then after I'm finishing filming this video, I am also going to make a tutorial for a super cute cardigan for Valentine's Day for you guys. I'm so excited about that. I cannot wait to share it with you, but I'm still working on it. I'm still creating it right now, and yeah, but it's in the making and it's actually coming out really, really nicely. And then after that, I think I'll do a few blankets, baby blanket, grown-up blankets, and then I have so many ideas for this year. So stay posted. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come and join my crochet family. It's really, really fun. It's totally free. Click on the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Don't hesitate to click on that little bell. And if you click on that bell, then it will notify you every time I post something new, which is really, really cool. What else? Yeah, come and visit me on my social media right there. Yeah, that's about it. I just began to watch a new Netflix series. I think it's from the BBC. No, I'm not sure. No, it's not the BBC. It's an Irish series. It's called Derby Girls. Oh my god, it is so funny. I love it so much. And I don't laugh easily when I watch TV with comedy and stuff. There's very few people that make me laugh, like, you know, really belly laugh. And I belly laughed a few times during that show. So that's really, really nice. Check it out, Netflix, Derby Girls. What else on Netflix am I watching? I am watching Law and Order Special Victim Unit. I always like that. I talked to you about Bird Box. Everybody's talking about Bird Box. I watched that too. Star Trek Discovery is back, guys. Any of you are Trekkies like me? I am obsessed with Star Trek. I always liked it since Jean-Luc Picard. Now they're back. It's back and I'm super happy. Love it. So yeah, so I'm super glad that you could join me today. Don't forget to come back next Friday for a tutorial this time. The Valentine's Day cardigan, if I finish on time. If not, it's going to be something else, but I think that's going to be it. I think it is. And that's it. So in the meantime, happy crochet and see you next time. Mwah. Bye. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. I love music. Do you like music too? I love Spotify. I'll put my name on Spotify. You can come and check me out. I have French playlists, I have Hebrew playlists, I have American playlists, I have classical music playlists, I have the songs from my childhood. It's really fun. I really love music. I'm always listening, maybe in the car, in the house, while I crochet. If I'm not watching TV, I'm listening to music. And another thing that I'm really, really into is trivia game. If you are a trivia game fan like me, come and join me to play. I think I'm playing Trivia Crack, and the other one I don't know the name. Oh, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire is a really nice app that I'm playing on. But yeah, let me know if you have nice trivia apps that we could play together. Deal? Deal. Bye. Now, where are my glasses? Yikes.